ladies and gentlemen, uh, the second part of our program is where we announce uh, the freehold shareholder scheme. Now, many of you are aware that for the leaders who fulfill certain performance targets, Global Garner offered 10 shares of. Now, many the initial deadline for the shares was only 45 days after the announcement. There were a lot of requests for extension, and we kept on extending. And then we announced a final date by which this scheme would end. And yes, the scheme ended on the 30th of September. That was 2 days back. Now, once we ended, we were flooded with a lot of requests. People wanting the scheme to come in some other way, do something, but people wanting to somehow become part of the shareholders' family. Now that scheme was over, so we couldn't extend it. So we requested our CMD to come up with something new. And yes, of course, as usual, Vikas and his creativity have really no limits. He came up with something new. Now, having come with something new, we thought it would be his privilege uh, definitely to announce the new scheme and also share with you some sensational news that we received just last night. Because it's over to you again.
Thank you, Veya. Thank you. Before I start shareholding thing, I would like everyone to go on their chat box and write what was our valuation when we started this share offer. What was our valuation when we started this share offer? Okay. No, it was never 5,000 crores. It was 255 crores. I think most of you are writing. Okay, correct. 216 crores. Yes, our first valuation was 216 crores. Okay, great, 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 great. Okay, superb, superb. Now my next question. Thank you very much. First of all, when we started our journey when Times of India got into our ecosystem, we were valued around 216 crores. 216 crore. Then in March we got revalued and we got our revaluation done, and when then we have got the valuation of 255 crore, as rightly written by many of us, right? This was the valuation almost in March. So 6 months back we had this valuation. So now after 6 months, which is after completing 2 quarters, what do you think? How many crores we have added to in our new this thing?
Congratulations.
So now people are saying that 500 crore, 5 crore, 40 crores. Okay. Okay. 1,000 crores. Not bad. 1,500 crores. Okay. Let me take you to my one of my presentations. Just hold on. Okay. Okay. Great. I hope you guys remember this slide when I showed it to you. Power of coming together. How many of you remember this slide? Where I told then when we will be 10,000 shareholders, our valuation would be at least 5,400 crores. I hope all those who have attended Kautilya must have seen this presentation. Correct? Now, currently, as of September end, we have almost crossed 150 shareholders. So this is first of all, congratulations to everyone who contributed and who became our shareholder. And now the big news. How much do you think? As of 10,000 shareholder, I told you that our valuation would be 5,400 crores. We are 150 shareholders now. We are almost 2,000 plus UPOS now. What should be our valuation? 650 crores, 500 crores, 250 crores, 800 crores. Okay. 2,000, 400, 550, 4,000, more than 500 crores. Okay, great. Chalo, let me show you with an example what is our current valuation. Just hold on. We got this valuation letter yesterday, signed, stamp, everything. Our team really worked very hard to get this valuation yesterday itself because I wanted to declare this today. Is my screen visible to you all? No.
Not yet.
Just hold on. Someone is sharing his screen. I'm not sharing my screen. I would request others not to share their screen. Just hold on. Okay, let me do it myself. Final valuation. Yes. Okay, so now come closer to your screen and see what is our current valuation. And this is, I think, big news for all those who have already become our shareholders, right? Because you are already part of the family and now you can enjoy this benefit. First of all, this is like as of 1st of October. I hope everybody is able to see my screen. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So just to tell you about the valuer, this report is prepared by Mr. Keyur J. Shah, a registered valuer having registration number this and this with an Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. So it is not anyone who is just giving us a valuation. It is a proper guy who can, and this will go to MCA also. So officially you can now go to MCA and download this report from them there also. So now let's see what is our current valuation. So I'll just magnify it also for you. So how much it is?
Wow.
How much is
6,680 crores.
correct? So
Every share is
just
1,33,000.
2 quarters, we have grown 26 times, which is almost 2,600%. Just imagine whoever has got their shares, who have qualified for their shares, now it is already worth more than 13 lakh rupees. It is already worth 13 lakh rupees. This is our equity value as of today. 6,680 crores, which was 255 just 2 quarters back, which is 6 months back. And you all are beneficiary of this. Whoever has already qualified for the shares, they are already part of this big valuation. Yes, I'm going to share after this presentation, this entire report, the entire almost, I think, 13-14 page report will come to you in your Telegram. Just download it and then you can refer it. There are factors given, whom they have compared us with. Everything is given in this small report. So it is almost 13-pager report, which you can now share with any of your prospects, anybody, that now my company is valued over 6,600 crores. So I think this is something we have achieved only. And remember, again, I'll take you to my slide. Remember, guys, what I have promised you, that once we have 10,000 shareholders, then I have told you that this valuation will come. We have overachieved it with only 150. Why? There is a big factor to this. Why? Because in our first valuation, we calculated all loans that we were supposed to take, all branches that we were supposed to open, and that was an expense. Therefore, our valuation was never so high. But somehow in COVID time, we used Zoom to the fullest. We sold almost 2000 UPOS. We got our team in place, and because of which, and we never expend, we never did any expense which was not required. We only have done those expenses which were very much required, and therefore we wrote books in profit. Our cash in bank is more than whatever loans we have, and because of which we got this valuation which was supposed to come after 10,000 shareholders. We have already got it. We have already got it, guys. And this is some big news for all of us. All those who trusted us on the time of starting, this is a reward to them, that they trusted us and they just wanted to be part of the shareholder family. And today they have been rewarded immediately. Just imagine, guys, when we will simply achieve what we are trying to achieve, what we will be. What we will be is something nobody has an answer. But I will try and give you that vision, that what we are about to become, right? And this is what I see. What I see should be our journey in next 9 months. Even if we are at today at zero, then also we can achieve this in no time, which is 14 state heads just completing their MCP team. MCP in just 1 month, completing their CP team. And remember, guys, if you have recruited someone and they are not performing, please remove them, because they are coming in between your dream, because they might not be dreaming as high as you are. So please remove those people who are in there only to bother you. Set your right candidates. Select those 10 people who have that vision, who can work for this vision. And this vision requires no money from you. It is almost like an opportunity which will never knock your door again and again. People who have missed the bus when I was struggling, I kept on telling people, give me 50 lakh rupees. I will tell you how this system will work. Today, we are not even taking any loan from anybody, and still we are a cash positive company. We have now offices or of our own. We are growing like mad. And where I see that we are not even 1% of our potential, right? When CP is recruited, just give him 1 month's time to complete his ACP team. If that guy is not performing in 1 month, and what performance we want, only 10 team members, and if that guy is not able to deliver, ask him, either he performs, either he should leave, because only a designation will not give him any revenue from Global Garner. And he will, when he will go out, he will say that Global Garner is not performing for me, whereas he will never tell that he has not performed, right? So I think with this we will easily reach 90,000 partners, and in next 5 months, so total journey is of 9 months, we will have collectively 9 lakh UPOS and 36 lakh as our vendors, and 27 crore user on board, which is just, I have taken 300 users per UPOS. That's it. And a total sale value of 5 lakh 40,000 crores, which is huge, guys. Which is huge. We are nothing and we are valued more than 6,600 crores. Just imagine, guys. It is a 9-month journey that you have to travel with me. जैसे वो सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने कहा था ना, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. I think I should now start saying that you give me these 9 months of yours and we all will be billionaires. We are talking about some really minting machine thing, and it requires only few people who should understand. A 18,000 ACP team is what we require. It is only the thing that we require. And what will this give to all of us? First of all, as a vendor, you will get 36 lakh rupees as a say 15 lakh rupees per month sale. As a UPOS owner, you will be earning 1 lakh rupees at least every month. As an partner, you would be earning at least 1 lakh rupees a month, where you have sold only 4 to 5 UPOS. Then as a ACP, you would be earning almost 10 lakh rupees a month. As a CP, you would be earning 30 lakh rupees a month. As a MCP, you would be earning 1.2 lakh rupees a month, which is huge, guys. And as a user, we would be giving almost 16,200 crore rupee every month as a cashback. Then nobody will ask us ki cashback aata kaise, jata kaise. It is already there. So I think, guys, this is the big picture that I wanted to show you. And not only this, once we are 9 lakh UPOS plus company, we are going to bring our IPO, because this valuation has to be realized also. As of today, it is only on paper, just like Reliance Jio. They are selling their equity for 5 lakh crore rupees, 6 lakh crore rupee, but it is only on paper. They will come up with an IPO. Same ways, we at Global Garner will also plan our IPO. Once we have 9 lakh UPOS, we are positive that our 9 lakh UPOS will bring at least 10 users to us. Only 10. If that is 10, we are talking about India's biggest IPO. And it will come mid 2021. And this fund, whatever we will receive, because in India, we would not require any fund because we would be a cash positive company. These funds we want to utilize for global expansion. We have a copyright, remember guys, for 187 countries. So immediately we can expand our wings in all these countries. And the shareholder of the parent company will get benefit of all these countries also, because you are part of the parent company. Correct? Plus, we will also go for global listing. It is not only India that we are looking forward to. We will go for a global listing also. Then there are n number of opportunities that will come in Global Garner's way, which is white labeling of products, self-franchise. We have already started it. It is not something that we are only planning. We have already started it. Garnering of the entire sales ecosystem of the world, because we are the rarest of the breed. We don't have even a comparison to make with anybody. And finally, the data, जिसको बोलते हैं ना, Google, Facebook, everybody is talking about data. So that data income, अभी तो हम बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. In our valuation, we have not calculated all those things. I have only asked our valuer to calculate the number of the spike that we have got growth in our sales through UPOS, and we are still not calculating the GMV that we are going to calculate on UPOS. It's a big game, guys, and best part is that is without any investment. So you are becoming the part of the world's biggest ecosystem, and we are not only saying this, we are proving it to you every time. This report I will share in some time with you. You can go through it, and I'm always available on Ask Vikas and everything. You can come in if you have any queries, you can ask me. But I think game has just begun. Let these 9 months be mad. Let these 9 months be something which you should only focus that I am going to be a billionaire. मेरा 1200 करोड़ मुझे कैसे बनाना है, ये मेरे पास रोड मैप आ गया है. और इस 1200 करोड़ के लिए I have nothing to invest. Already Global Garner has invested in technology also, people also, processes also. I am just multiplying it, because from here it will only multiply. Game is only about to multiply. It is not an addition that is going to happen. So I hope this is something which is, I think, a gift from our side to our shareholders who trusted us in our initial days. I think people who will come now have a ground to play. All those shareholders, and best part of Global Garner's ecosystem is our shareholders are our partners who have really burned themselves, who have really worked for this organization. I think our valuation has crossed that mark of 26 times, but we are giving you a very small target to again become a shareholders, we really want to have 10,000 shareholders by the end of this year. So this offer will be applicable till 31st of December, and we will again close this. So just like we have closed first phase, second phase will close by 31st of December. So guys, please start multiplying, because now game has got at totally a different level. I can see that people have started to trust us, and not only trust us, they are bringing more people who are trusting us. This is a people oriented organization. We are only helping you to realize what is the power of public when it comes together. So I think rest entire presentation will come to you. Rest everything is same as first phase. So it is a simple thing that we have told you, that now you can become a shareholder. And the best part is the first lot worked for 250 crore rupee valuation. Still your number of share remains the same, but you have a valuation of 6,600 crore rupees. But the number of share remain the same. So you are actually working for much better deal than the initial guys have done. But they have worked in dark, so their reward was they have to perform less, and they got their shares. But now the phase 2, it will end on 31st December 2020. And of course, as we always tell, we do not extend any offer. So whatever has been closed, it will be closed. This is a new launch. This new thing have to be qualified to become a new shareholder in this company. But you have a better valuation to fight for, right? With this, I come to an end of my presentation. Anything Ramesh Bhai and Raman Bhaiya wants to add, they can add.
Because, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are on video, I think Vikas and his team deserve a huge round of applause for an awe-inspiring target achievement far beyond anybody's expectations. Well, here's what you need to do. There's almost 600 people in this Zoom meeting. We would like you to inform at least 100 people each what exactly happened in the meeting today. 100 people each. We would like you to inform them. And follow up on these 100 people. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure in the next 1 week, your targets, your leadership targets of 10 people each will get completed. Now, if people get to know about what exactly Global Gardener has done, people will stand in queue in front of your house to become part of the leadership team. All you have to do is make people know. Unless you let them know, how will they know? So you have to let people know what exactly this company is. And if you do, people will say, I want to be part of it. And that is where you capitalize. Vikas is projecting that by March 2021, we will have completed all our leadership targets. And this is a very easy thing to do. If every one of us completes just our part, just our part. MCP, just bring 10 CPs. Nothing else. Don't worry about anything else at all. CPs, just bring 10 ACPs. You don't worry about anything else at all. And so on and so on. Just bringing 10 good, productive people is the need of the day. Okay. MCPs, CPs, state heads, if you find people who are occupying places of importance and not contributing to productivity, Vikas has given you an easy answer. You can show them this video that he has projected. He's made it very clear that such unproductive people will not find a place in our organization. Okay. Now, with this, Raman Bhai, do you have to add anything?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Okay. May I close, Vikas?
Yeah, if we want anybody to address anything, like, do you want anybody to speak? I think at least our shareholders should speak how they are feeling on just a big multiplication that we had happened.
That is fair. We will invite 5 shareholders to talk about their feelings today. you can come live. Vikas will recognize you and you can speak your mind.
Yeah. Now you can raise your hands, and I would like only shareholders to raise their hands. Okay, Mr. John Matthew. Mr. John Matthew, you can unmute yourself.
Mr. John Matthews, the professional UPOS holder in Kerala, right?
Right.
Yes.
And he is the shareholder also.
He is the shareholder too.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar, Vigasi. Great vision and one fantastic achievement. Thank you very much. We are standing with you in your shoes, and let us all together take into greater in the world. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Rakesh Mistry. Mr. Rakesh Mistry, are you a shareholder?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I
Yes.
can hear you.
Okay. Thanks a lot for, keeping trust on us. First of all, I would just like to thank you, sir. Thanks to Mr. Nandu uncle and his son, Saurabh ji, to keep trust on me and to motivate me at every point of time and at every part, wherever I was just, losing my hope. And I was just, feeling lonely, and I was just, not getting anything. But they've just, kept trust on me. And thanks a lot, sir, once again, कि आपने भी हम लोगों पे इतना ट्रस्ट रखा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हम आपके साथ में हैं. बस आप इतने ही ऐसे ही हमको इंस्पायर करते रहिए. So that just, we'll be with you only and we'll grow together, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Sumit Saxena. एक सेकेंड, इतने ज्यादा लोग आ रहे हैं कि वो पकड़ में नहीं आ रहे हैं आप. हाँ जी, आ गए. अनम्यूट करिए.
सर सबसे पहले तो सर मैं आपको इसके लिए कांग्रेचुलेशन बोलूंगा. सर आप ट्रू लीडर हैं सर, और आपने हमारे उसमें में उमंग जमा दी, और मैं आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के डबल काम करूंगा सर. और
थैंक यू सुमित जी. थैंक यू.
का आपको कमिटमेंट किया था सर, वो पूरा किया है, और 10 लोगों को डायरेक्टर बना के ही छोड़ूंगा सर. अभी
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
प्रोग्राम ड्यू रहा सर आपका. आपने
पक्का. मिस्टर पवनदीप सिंह लुधियाना.
सर, पंजाबियों की ना फीलिंग जाहिर करने का एक ही तरीका होता है.
हाँ जी, इधर गए
सर, बंदा डाल के.
गुड वन.
थैंक यू सर सो मच टू यू एंड रमन सर, गुरकिरपाल सर. सब वही बात है कि मतलब वाकई सर वो कहते हैं वो था कि जय जवान जय किसान, फिर जय विज्ञान का आया. तो ये जय विज्ञान वाकई जय विज्ञान है जो हम ये बिजनेस कर पा रहे हैं, हम इस पोजीशन पे पहुंच सके हैं सर.
Correct. It is all because we all have come together. I think we should celebrate this thing, because now even a common public is thinking of 1200 crore, 10,000 crore, 5,000 crore. And best part of our ecosystem is we are not valued because of our investment that we are coming in. We are valued with the real business that we are doing, and it's a profit making organization. I'm really proud to say that we are the, I think, only startup in the ecosystem which is making money and doing the valuation. Others are only focused on selling their product, which is their company. We are building our company, they are selling their company. So I think this is the power of public, when public comes together to anything. And this is just, even, I will not even call it a start. I can guarantee you, and I think Ramesh Bhai will totally agree with me. Almost a year back, we were struggling for even 10 lakh rupees so that I can pay it to my staff. And today, I think we are talking some 6,000 crore rupees number, which is, I think it is totally a grace of God, and it is a power of public coming together. So guys, please keep up the spirit. I will just allow two, three more.
Yeah, the last में बल्ले बल्ले शाबा शाबा, बल्ले बल्ले शाबा शाबा.
Thank you for all of you. I don't know how many people I'll make live now, but I really want to thank each and every shareholder of this company. I really owe you this thing. You have trusted this company on that time when we were almost struggling like anything. Your trust is something which I think God has also bent down, and now they are telling, okay, now you tell me what you want. I think whatever, even when I actually got into this valuation, no, when I thought I should get a revaluation, I never thought it would be 5,000 plus. I always thought of that it would be around 1,000 or maybe 500, 800 crores. But somehow the valuation which we got is something incredible, and the things which are going in shape, I think we will be 100% our world's biggest organization, and these 18,000, 10,000 people will be part of this glory. It is not Ambani which is building up. It is public's company, and we all will gain out of that. We all, and I do not take a shame on this. Money making is not a sin. We all deserve to make money. We all deserve to make money. And this is the first time that we will pull ourselves. Next 9 months, guys, please be mad. I will be mad with you, because from 5th onwards, we will be starting CMD Club also, thereafter Kingmakers Club also, thereafter MCP boot camp is there. We will be mad next 9 months. We will put everything that we have in us to make sure that our dreams are true. Now it is up to you. You want to carry those people who are non-productive, not doing any job, please remove them from the system. We are now in no way in that mode where we will stand and wait for someone. We will take a flight and we will fly now. People who will understand will fly with us. People will not understand. And I have 150 shareholders right now, and these people will multiply. And this multiplication will take us to all our dreams which we had in our life. Let's invite Mr. Neil also from Karnataka.
Hi, Vikas.
Yeah, hi.
And I kept telling in many of my presentations and also with our interaction with you that 64 lakh crore is not a dream. It's going to be a reality soon. I told you many times.
Correct.
And I never expected it to be so soon that it will be 6,680 crores. And with the 10 shares, I'm almost at 13 lakh. I'm not even able to believe it, So you'll have to make me realize it's really true. And a lot of people ask me many times, how has been the last 4 months, 5 months for you? How are you doing? And I told them only one thing, because last 4 months, that I had been so busy that I have never been in the last 10 years of my time. And I'm able to do so much which I could not do in the last 10 years of my time. Thank you very much for all your vision. And as a team Karnataka, we are part of you and with your vision, and definitely we'll work hard and definitely we'll make it a reality. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I think I will take last one, Mr. Naresh Agarwal.
Yes. Thank you. And first of all, a big thanks to Vikas and team for doing this wonderful thing for all of us. And I just want to say dil se shukriya. And I am from Surat. So Vikas, aapne bola 9 months for you. I will be giving my whole and soul to this 9 months. And trust me, we together, we will make the wonderful journey. And this company is going to be the way you have dreamed of. We will make it together, right? So we are just going to do it without fail. And thanks to the whole people, to all the people in this room who have done this thing. And this is made in India. And I'm really proud to this guy of 38 years old. He is giving such a wonderful vision to all the people in the country. So I just want to say in the last that, friends, coming together is the beginning, and that beginning has been done. So coming together is the beginning, staying together is the progress, and working together is the success. So dear friend, my next month, 9 months of my life is dedicated to Global Garner, and we will rock it like anything. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. I hope we can now close. Ramesh bhai, should we close?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. May we all reach our dream in next 9 months. Thank you.
We will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.